how to create or open Plenty of Fish account. So if you want to create or open Plenty of Fish account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for POF, which is Plenty of Fish, and then go for register under www.pof.com. Click on the register. So first you need to enter your name, and after that click on sign up, and here you need to enter your gender. Choose your gender, and if you want to show your gender on your profile, then you can leave that, but if you don't want to show, then toggle that off, and here click on the race that you belong to, and then go for next and enter your date of birth, and after that click on next again, and here you need to enter your city and your country that you live in. So first choose the country, and after that choose the city, and then your state or province, and your postal code or your zip code, and after entering that click on next. This is the second last step. You need to enter your mail, and then again you need to enter your mail to confirm it, and once you enter your email address you can click on next, and after that you need to enter your username, and after entering your username you need to confirm your password. So first enter your password on this blank, and then again enter your password to confirm it. And if you do not wish to receive marketing communications about the products and services, then click on this box and then click on next, and after that your account will be created. So that's it, you've made an account. Click on let's go. Now you can enter your information, you can give some intro, and then click on next. So that's how you create your account, and now you can simply choose this options and give some answers so that you can use your Plenty of Fish account. That's how you register on POF, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.